Hello, hi guys. Today we are going to make a classic daiquiri. We're going to need lime juice. Also, we're going to need white rum and sugar syrup. So first we prepare our lemon juice. So from there, after preparing the lemon juice, we're going to add ice cube inside our shaker. So we add ice cube inside our shaker. As we're doing that, we make sure our cocktail glass is chilling. So it has to be chilling. After adding ice cubes, we're going to add 60 ml of white rum. $15 ml of sugar syrup. 15 ml of sugar syrup. So after adding 15 ml of sugar syrup, we're going also to add 30 ml of our lime juice. So after adding 30 ml of our lime juice, we're now going to shake. Shake. So after shaking, again now to use our strainer to strain our cocktail mixture into our glass. First we're going to pour the ice cube. So after doing that, we're going now to pour our cocktail and then proceed with our garnish.